moments are one too many, but I'll do it again when I'm out with my friends. Wake up and I'm in last night's dress. How did